in this video, we just want to get set up and ready to work in RStudio. So just like in class, we're going to navigate to our stats directory. Now, I'm going to actually be creating some notebooks and things about plotting. So I created another folder here, and there's nothing in it yet, but I'm going to set that to my working directory so that then all the files that I create and everything that I make will be located in that folder, okay? So that's the first step. Once you open RStudio, navigate to where you want to work and set that to your working directory. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the data sets that we need to make the plots from the homework. So I'm going to use the import data set, and I'm going to do it. These are all Excel files, so I'm going to use the from Excel, and I'll just browse to where on my machine those files are, and I think that they're maybe in here. Okay, and I'm going to grab all, well, I have to grab them one at a time, but grab each of them, import that college one. And so once you've imported it, I mean, you'll see the display of the data set here, but you'll also see the data frames or the data set's name in the environment. Okay, so just keep going here. I need the college. I need my Facebook. Import that. I need the Titanic data. And I need the potassium and then the 7th graders. So again, I have all of these. These are just in this data folder downloaded from before. So there's the potassium. And here are my seventh graders. There they go. All right. So I think that that's what we need to do the plots. But that's the big idea. And this is much easier than actually what we'd started doing in class, where we were actually providing these paths to the file. But it's still important to understand what's happening here, right? We're using a function, that read Excel function, and we're providing it a path to the data file. So that Titanic file is on my desktop in this now folder in a fall 20 and RStats and data, but that's what's happening. It's a file path that leads you to this data. All right, and now that we have this in here, next thing we'll do is we'll start to just take a little bit of a peek at the different data sets.